Brock Belnap has served as Washington County Attorney since 2003. Elected 5 times, he has proven his dedication to the people he serves. In that time, Belnap's office has prosecuted tens of thousands of cases.
I have been blessed to work as county attorney, and one of the things that is awesome about it is it involves very meaningful work. Extraordinarily meaningful work on the lives of all the people whose cases come before the county attorney's office, and also the civil things that we're doing with public land and planning for the future.
He's most proud of new programs he's helped implement, focusing on ways to protect the rights of victims and reduce recidivism through his Court Support Services program.
So now when somebody gets into the system, instead of just repeating the cycle, we have them go through a full-blown analysis to find out what their underlying diagnosis or issues might be, and then we tailor treatment for them and make that treatment part of their probation or part of their sentence. And I think it's a really worthwhile development, and it's making a difference. We're seeing a reduction in numbers of people recidivating already through that.
Belnap also led the county attorney's legal efforts to preserve access to public lands. He says he's looking forward to his new position at the Washington County Water Conservancy District.
I was drawn to work at the Water Conservancy District because I don't think that there is any more important project for the future of Washington County than water and making sure that we have adequate water here in our beautiful desert.
I'm very shocked and saddened as I am about Brock's departure, because he's such a quality individual. The only good thing of it is he is going to the Water District, and we get an opportunity to work with him, and in that capacity, it will be a different capacity.
Washington County Commissioners appointed Deputy County Attorney Clarke as acting attorney until voters can elect a new replacement in November.
But at this particular time, the applicant happens to be perfectly suited to step into those shoes and fulfill that obligation.
This is a temporary appointment. The voters will decide in November who the county attorney will be going on.
And I did not anticipate the feelings of gratitude and appreciation of just having people come up out of the blue like, hey, you're the person. We want you to do this. We have your back on it. So that's such a cool feeling.
Clarke, who currently serves as the county's lead civil attorney, plans to run for the position after his interim status.
I, as acting county attorney, and then if I'm elected by the voters later this year, I have every intention of continuing to work at the county attorney's office in the way that it's been carried out.
Belnap believes Clarke is the right choice as his replacement.
He is a sharp, thorough, competent lawyer who has the subject matter expertise to carry us forward on these critical issues involving the public lands, the Northern Corridor, the renewal of the Habitat Conservation Plan permit. Those are critical issues facing Washington County right now, and Eric is the best person to handle those because that's what he's been working on for the past several years.
Those in the county who count on legal advice and expertise say that both Belnap and Clarke are reliable and accessible when they need them.
With the Court Support Services program that's going on, this was Brock's brainchild that he's done. We've worked in coordination with him and with Charmaine, and with the programs now going on with the jail, for the pretrial and getting these people into counseling and different types of services, rather than just holding them in jail waiting for a trial date to come up. I think it's making a big difference. So I'm going to miss him in those regards. But Eric, he's so amazing, so calm, level-headed, and he won't just shoot from the hip. He's like, if there's something that comes up, he goes, I'm going to research that and I'll get right back to you.
I have to start by saying Brock has been the best boss ever. He does such a fabulous job of keeping people motivated and having our backs, and he just is such a genuinely good person. And I think Eric is very much in that same image. We worked with Eric on a number of different issues. I've got a good relationship with him, and I think he's going to be a fabulous county attorney.
Clarke will be sworn into his new position by commissioners on February 18th. In the meantime, he will be figuring out how to manage the position that has been handled by a well-seasoned attorney who will be greatly missed.
Brock does a lot for our office. He is not a passive elected official. And we're going to feel that loss and have to come together as an office and figure out how to make sure that we're still doing the excellent work that he expects without his influence in there.
In Washington County, Melissa Anderson, Community Education News.